Nope, I got a Mickey waffle. I don't care. Ladies and gentlemen, we're docked in the Bahamas at Nassau aboard the Disney Dream, where we've been spending the morning playing with princesses and splashing with Nemo and friends. Now, we're off to dinner. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Expedition Disney. Folks, we've spent the day docked at Nassau in the Bahamas. And while everyone else was out enjoying Nassau, we stayed on the boat and played. But now, it's time for dinner. And we're trading in the whimsical artistry of Animator's palette for a sort of timeless, elegant magic in Enchanted Garden. Follow Mommy and Mimi. Water. Hang on. Is that water? Is that pretty water? What did you say? Buy water?
Mama,
I got some. Hey, we pushed off somewhere in the town where we met Mickey and came downstairs.
As we pull away from Nassau, the Peanut has something very special. His first taste of chocolate milk.
What you got?
What do you have, Peanut?
You're gonna chug the whole thing.
Chocolate milk.
Oh, the wonders of chocolate milk.
Mickey cup, no less.
Someone is having their very first chocolate milk today. Because our lovely server, Shauna, I believe her name is, forgot what kind of milk he drinks. Or either that, she had milk down. The prevailing theory, though, is that he flashed his cute little baby smile at her and did her in, so she brought him chocolate milk. And this is just now the first time he's putting it down.
Butter?
Casey, what is this?
What's this? Chocolate milk? Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Yeah, we called the butter chocolate. And we're pretty sure that's because the
Olive Garden mints are wrapped in foil.
Yeah.
And he knows that's usually the chocolate he gets, is the Olive Garden mints.
Yep.
How's that?
Is that nummy?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, is that a tartar sauce?
Yeah, so it's like mayonnaise and relish.
There you go.
That was a good bite.
Good bite.
Not just play with it. Okay, you need to bite. You taste ice cream? Mickey ice cream.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Celia. Happy birthday to you. We usually schedule Disney trips around this time of year, as Cece likes to celebrate her birthday at Disney. But even though it's a few months away, we managed to sneak in a little celebration of me and Katie's anniversary as well.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, that's the song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Jason, was that fun?
Like, whatever, homies. I got my Mickey ice cream bar.
What did we get? Oh my gosh. You got one too?
I got one too. Ours says happy anniversary.
Hers says happy birthday. A cumpleaños feliz. A cumpleaños feliz. We don't have a candle.
found another mirror.
Jason, look. Did you happen to grab the diaper bag from Deb?
No, he still got it in his.
Because I think they're going to different bags.
With our bellies full and our minds happy, it's time to head out and do some other things, like enjoy some musical stylings in the main lobby. Just about every night on the ship, the main lobby became a sort of dance party for children, as our musical entertainment would come out and serenade us with many pop culture songs and Disney songs.
Oh, hey, wow.
As we start winding down from the day's events, Kason, ever the social butterfly, makes a new little friend.
Mickey was still meeting when... Huh? Yeah, we can give that a try. Whoa! Careful, Peanut.
Okay. Is that better? Where's the gym? And I'm like, yeah, I love it. Drive around the ship like everybody else.
Kason, don't pull, please.
Friends and neighbors, the adventure continues on the next episode as we dock at Disney's private island, Castaway Cay. Join us next time, folks. There's more Expedition Disney to come.